I've learned a new lesson after working for so many years with different brands. Brands in the BFSI sector, retail sector, government institutions, startups, educational institutions. And there is, every time the industry is different, the kind of audience they want to connect with is different, the products are different, and budgets are definitely different. But there's one thing which is common everywhere is people. Each brand is trying to connect with their audience. They want to be feel understood. But at the same time, the people whom they are trying to connect, as per their target segment, all these types of people, again, we as people are also looking to connect with brands where we also feel understood and connected. Now, how that happens is, I'll give you an example that, we were having a small activity for one of our clients in the banking sector. And it just happened that, during the activity, it was an RWA basically. So we were in a society and we were conducting some kind of engagement for the people residing over there. So in between, a person from the society only came and started talking about the bad experience of that particular brand. हम जिस ब्रांड को वहाँ बात कर रहे हैं, प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, एंगेज कर रहे हैं लोगों के साथ, वो उसी के अगेंस्ट बोलना शुरू हो गया. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट once somebody from your group or circle starts talking negative about somebody, you automatically start building a perception. So we started feeling a threat कि हम तो यहाँ प्रमोट करने आए हैं and probably they are all turning against everything. But then that was a turning point. What happened was, while he was sharing his bad experiences, as the agency partner, along with the bank's team, we started finding a solution to his problem. Because one thing was sure, that he was not angry against the bank or he was not angry against any particular individual standing over there. He was against what experience he had and what could have been resolved. So immediately the people, the staff from the bank, they offered a solution to him, tried to find out on the spot what was wrong and what had happened, and tried to, resolve his problem. And that instant connection that had been created over there, that changed the game altogether. We had gone there just from the thought process of, engaging and connecting and promoting. And it turned out to be a completely different platform. Initially, it felt like we were in a bad soup. But eventually, by the end of the activity, everybody was so happy. They started believing, they started trusting the people who had gone there from the bank's team. And everything was, fine again. And that made me think, कि एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन, एक प्रॉब्लम रेजोल्यूशन विच इज जस्ट अ कम्युनिकेशन अवे, इट वॉज जस्ट अ स्मॉल कम्युनिकेशन जो वो कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था, वो इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो रहा था बिकॉज ही वॉज हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम एंड नोबडी वॉज एड्रेसिंग. सो सिमिलरली आई हैव ऑल्सो वर्कड विद ब्रांड्स. महीनों महीनों एक कैंपेन के ऊपर बात चल रही है, क्या रिजल्ट आएगा, कैसे बनाना है, क्या करना है. फाइनली लॉन्च द कैंपेन. But then what happens is कि कोई रिजल्ट ही नहीं है, nobody engaged, there was hardly anything उससे रिटर्न मिला, ROI नहीं निकला, whatever the dynamics and the analytics. The point here is that people only engage when they feel connected, and most importantly, they feel connected when they participate, when they feel that somebody is listening to them. So of late, we have actually, shifted our entire focus on not just communication, not just creating marketing with communities, but moreover, participation with the audience. It's about how participative they feel, how involved they feel in the discussion, how much involvement they feel that the brand is associated with them. So that's a big learning that I have taken, and I'm sure you must have learned something from your work. Do let me know in the comment section about your latest learnings. Thank you.